Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to another episode where we explore the fascinating what-ifs of our universe. Ever wondered what life would be like without the moon? It's a question that might seem simple at first, but the implications are far-reaching and profound. Sit tight, because we're diving into some mind-blowing changes that would flip our world upside down. From the oceans to the skies and even our daily lives, everything would be different. First off, let's talk about tides. The moon is the main force behind the ocean's tides, creating the rhythmic rise and fall of sea levels that we often take for granted. Without it, tidal waves would shrink dramatically. The gravitational pull of the moon is what drives these powerful movements. Without this gravitational force, our oceans would become eerily calm. Tidal waves would be almost non-existent, leading to a much more static and lifeless seascape. Imagine beaches with barely any waves. The serene, waveless shores might sound peaceful, but they would be a sign of a disrupted natural order. Coastal ecosystems would be devastated, and marine life would struggle to adapt. Many species rely on the tides for feeding, breeding, and migration. Now here's something really wild. The Earth's axial tilt is stabilized by the moon. This tilt is what gives us our seasons and relatively stable climate. Without it, our axis would wobble, causing extreme climate shifts. The stability provided by the moon is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of our environment. Without this stabilizing force, the Earth's axis could tilt dramatically, leading to unpredictable and extreme weather patterns. One season you could be basking in tropical heat, and the next, shivering through an ice age. Such drastic changes would make it incredibly difficult for life to thrive. Agriculture would be a nightmare, and food supply chains would collapse. Crops depend on stable weather conditions, and without them, our food production would be in jeopardy. But wait, there's more. Nighttime would be pitch black without the moonlight. The moon provides a natural source of light that has guided humans and animals for millennia. Think about how that would affect nocturnal animals. They rely on moonlight for hunting and navigating, and without it, their survival would be at risk. They rely on moonlight for hunting and navigating. The absence of this light would throw their entire ecosystem into chaos. Their entire ecosystem would be thrown into chaos. Feeling a bit off kilter? That's because the moon's gravity also affects the Earth's rotation. This gravitational pull slows down our planet's spin, giving us the 24-hour day we know. Without it, our days would be much shorter, maybe just 6 to 12 hours long. Imagine trying to cram a full day's work into that. Our entire concept of time would be altered. Imagine trying to cram a full day's work into that. Our productivity, sleep cycles, and daily routines would be thrown into disarray. And let's not forget about our love for stargazing and romantic moonlit walks. The moon has been a source of inspiration and wonder for countless generations. Without the moon, our nights would lose that magical touch. The beauty of a moonlit night would be replaced by an empty, dark sky. The moon has been a muse for poets, artists, and lovers for centuries. Its absence would leave a gaping hole in our cultural and emotional landscape. The moon has shaped our myths, legends, and even our sense of time. So there you have it. Life without the moon isn't just about missing a pretty night sky. It's about losing a fundamental part of what makes our planet so unique. Life without the moon isn't just about missing a pretty night sky. It would bring drastic environmental, climatic, and social changes. From natural disasters to shifts in our daily lives, the impact would be enormous. The moon isn't just a cosmic neighbor, it's a crucial part of what makes Earth, well, Earth. Its presence is vital for the stability and richness of life on our planet. If you found this fascinating, hit that subscribe button and join our community of curious minds. There's always more to learn and discover. There's so much more to explore together. From the mysteries of space to the wonders of our own planet, the journey of discovery never ends. Until next time, keep wondering and keep exploring. Scenario Spark, watermark text.